Taming the Dangling Prepositions, a contextual approach. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic within the realm of English grammar: dangling prepositions. But instead of simply discussing rules and exceptions, we're going to take a step back and understand why the context and the audience matter when using dangling prepositions in formal and informal writing. Let's dive in. A dangling preposition, also known as a hanging preposition or stranded preposition, occurs when a preposition is separated from its object or when it appears at the end of a sentence. For example, who are you going to the party with? Or, the book that you were looking for is over there. Traditionally, this construction was considered incorrect in formal English, but it's essential to remember that language rules have evolved and adapted over time. The use of dangling prepositions is now widely accepted, especially in informal contexts. One of the critical aspects we need to understand is the difference between formal and informal writing. Formal writing is often used in academic, business, and professional settings. It follows grammatical rules strictly, avoids slang and colloquialisms, and favors more complex sentence structures. On the other hand, informal writing is conversational and casual, reflecting how we speak in everyday life. It allows more flexibility, including the use of dangling prepositions. When it comes to using dangling prepositions, the context and audience of your writing play a significant role. In a formal context, like an academic essay or a business report, it's generally better to avoid dangling prepositions. However, if rephrasing the sentence would make it awkward or unclear, it's acceptable to leave the preposition at the end. For example, instead of saying, "On what did you decide?" it's more natural to say, "What did you decide on?" In an informal context, such as in casual conversations or social media posts, dangling prepositions are entirely acceptable and often make the communication sound more natural and fluid. Understanding the context and the audience can help us make better decisions about our use of dangling prepositions. Remember, the ultimate goal of language is to communicate effectively, and sometimes, that might mean bending a few traditional rules. I hope this video has been helpful in shedding light on when to use and not to use dangling prepositions. Thank you for joining me today, and happy English learning. Don't forget, grammar isn't just about rules, it's about effective communication. See you in the next lesson.